Hello everyone, I'm Chris with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Inde Motorsports Ranch. Absolutely beautiful day on Inde Moto. They are a partner here for the IMR Riders Club, and that is something that Chris Paris puts on. Don't know who he is. He is one of the lead instructors, I believe, co-founders as well to the Yamaha Championship Riding School. So it's kind of a big deal. He's also out here and helping people kind of do lead follow, do some training if you so choose. What's cool about the IMR Club is that it is, the relaxed is like 20 bikes max, advanced racers, again, all 20 bikes max. So there's never more than 20 bikes out on this 2.7 mile track for any given time. And on Sundays, like today, it's actually kind of a weak showing, which makes it a ton of time for you on a very nice 21 turn track. So come with me. We're gonna go for a ride on the V4R. You've seen it before. Image is blown out, so I'm gonna try to make sure my settings are good. There's little dogs over there just barking their heads off. But anyways, let's go for a ride on the V4R at Inde Motorsports Ranch. Let's have some fun. Alrighty, first session of the day on the V4R. And boy Luke here with the Street Fighter. We miss her, but on to different things. Oh, the clutch. A little stiff today, so we're going to be kind of trying to loosen things up. Fuck that away. Got that tight. Made the asphalt pucker a little bit.
And that, my friends, is a good lap or two here at Inde. Said did a little warm up. Got it feeling, got it grooving. Definitely had some kinks to work out, but yeah, not bad overall. Definitely still freaking with my damn ankle. What the hell? Anyways, well, let's go do some more laps after this. I'll get one where I don't talk at all. Got a little bit of cold tear. Dropped the pressure a pound. That's probably why I was a little squirrely at first. But the front actually felt a little squirrely, which was surprising. But look all right. Maybe I'm just not riding fast enough. I'm being a baby. Trying to get the flow back. Trying to fix my right ankle. The way it's sitting on the pegs, I'm not rotating it right, and I'm putting all the weight on the outside of the ankle, and it's becoming a problem. So while I'm not hauling ass, it's because I'm trying to figure out why the shit my left foot is doing that, but obviously the right one's fine. Come on, there we go. So if it looks weird, I'm trying to play with some stuff. There's the beauty of coming out of the track with only a few people on here. It's just low key. Warm the tires up, get the warm body warm, but yeah, it's just like, I don't know what it is, but I just can't seem to get it right. I don't know if it's my boots, my hips, or what, but yeah, it's just unpleasant. Oh, come on. I just cannot hit that turn right. But even on left-hand turns, my right ankle is bugging me. Like, it's gotten to that point. It's frustrating. there we go. That was nice. That was good. It turned better. Fucking ankle is still shot though. Yeah, I'm not doing another lap. Get a good clean one. We'll get these. Damn. Okay. Nope. We're done. We're done. We're done. That's it. Friggin' foot. Losing strength in it. Fuck. It's done. So, something you gotta learn about track days is, you gotta know when to fold them, you know what I mean? And yeah, we're folding them today. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, if you did, please like, comment, subscribe. And that's a few laps around Indy. It's pretty gnarly.